Well, the clouds came back today, and we'll probably see clouds kind of hang around most of the time as we go through the rest of tonight and Saturday. Very little, if any, rain falling from these clouds. You might see a sprinkle or two, but a warmer day, maybe a little warmer Saturday, but I think the warmest day out of the next few will be on Sunday, as temperatures should easily be back into the mid to upper 70s. Might even touch 80 in Starr County with more sun breaking through. There will be a somewhat weak cold front late Sunday night, Monday morning. The next strong cold front that could drop temperatures more than just 5 or 10 degrees could arrive either by sometime around late Thursday or early Friday of next week. So about a week from now, it could be a little cool again. I don't think we're going to see the cold blast of, freezing temperatures and highs only in the 40s type of thing, but probably knocking down temperatures at least with highs in the 60s late next week. Current temperatures are in the 60s, 65 in Harlingen, 68 in Rio Grande City, 67 as you see in Brownsville. And temperatures did hit 70 in a few spots, but the clouds have thickened up and kind of driven temperatures back down a little bit. The winds are very light today, coming in from the east though, and with the winds from the east coming in off the Gulf, that's bringing in a little bit of moisture and also creating more clouds. This is that time of year usually when you get the winds coming in from the east after the cold moves out. You usually get a couple days of some clouds, and that's what we have now. This evening, looking for temperatures to fall from about 60 or so at 7 p.m. through the 50s. May not get below 50. I think we'll kind of hang in the 50s most of tonight with clouds around and mainly just dry weather out there. As we go into tomorrow morning, you might start to see a little bit of fog form along the coast at the island as the humidity rises over that cold water that's at the coast right now. That tends to create some foggy conditions, so don't be surprised if you see some low clouds and fog at the island and on the bay and Gulf waters tonight and tomorrow. Satellite radar shows mainly just some high clouds coming through, but thickening up. You see a few little blips in green on there. I don't think any of that hit the ground. The air below those clouds still dry enough that no rain able to get down here, it looks like, quite yet. But there's enough clouds around that you may see one or two little sprinkles sometime late tonight or tomorrow. But you see farther off to the west, things are clearer, but I don't think that big area of clearing is able to come this way quite yet. Future track does show mostly cloudy skies much of tonight. And again, you see a little sprinkle or two show up from time to time. There might be like 5 minutes of drizzle in there somewhere, but cool temperatures tonight down in the low 50s. And again, you may see some fog and low clouds kind of form and hang at the coast late tonight and tomorrow, so it may not be clearing out as much at the island. In fact, during the day tomorrow, you see a lot of clouds again, and Future Track once again shows maybe a couple sprinkles or some drizzle, especially along the coast tomorrow where clouds could be thickest. But most of the day tomorrow probably looks a lot like today. The clouds you see out there will kind of be in the skies most of the time, and with occasionally maybe a little sun breaking through. By Sunday, the winds increase a bit from the southeast, and that should be enough to warm temperatures back into the 70s. So I think we're looking at maybe a cloudy start initially to Sunday, but quickly back into some sunshine and temperatures around 75 or 78 or a little higher in the afternoon. So Sunday, definitely the warmest day of the week with a light breeze from the southeast. Here comes a cold front early Monday right around sunrise. And again, this front looks fairly weak. Any shower should be way up the front to the north, but once it passes, humidity dips a bit, but the sunshine should come out behind the front. So I think most of Monday could be, again, very sunny. So the first 1570 forecast, no blast of really cold air for a little while. You see highs around 69 tomorrow, 78 on Sunday, and 70 by Monday behind the front. Just a drop in temperatures and humidity a little bit, which means it will be a little cooler Monday night into Tuesday morning. By Tuesday afternoon, back around 75 degrees. We could hit 80 by Wednesday, and then the model's different a little bit on the timing of the next front. Some say it may get here Thursday afternoon or maybe late Thursday night, Friday morning, but at some point around then, another drop in temperatures with a stronger front. So Friday's highs next week could be only in the low 60s again. We'll keep tracking those fronts ahead in your first 1-5 forecast, of course. Stay tuned.